The YoLink Smart Home Kit features an impressive long-range wireless capability, utilizing LoRa technology to maintain connectivity over distances up to 1/4 mile. This smart home kit seamlessly integrates with popular voice assistants such as Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for effortless control through voice commands. A standout feature of this kit is its energy monitoring capability, providing detailed insights into the power consumption of connected devices through the YoLink app. The system offers flexibility from simple monitoring to advanced automation, supporting integration with third-party devices and services like IFTTT. YoLink devices operate on a proprietary radio frequency, eliminating the need for your Wi-Fi network to handle the smart devices, which can be a significant advantage in bandwidth management. Built with durability in mind, the kit includes fire-resistant components and meets ETL and FCC compliance standards, ensuring safety and reliability.